I will follow thee, follow thee wherever he may go.
Oh, hello, Grub Bags.
Hello, Cal.
Hello.
How are you?
Hey, where you been, nunnery? I say a little prayer for you.
Sister Act.
Forever.
Yeah, I'm getting ready for
and
when I
ever.
go over there. Where the nuns, there's 4 nuns going to live in that home over there.
Is there actually?
Yep,
4 nuns?
yep. And they're all in a little section together.
Well, let's have a look over there, actually. We ain't seen over there for ages. Look at that.
And I'm getting
New
ready
little village.
for when I go there. I'm going to go, I will follow thee, follow thee wherever he may go. There isn't a mountain too high, whatever it is. But I'm getting ready in all my outfit for them.
Did you hear all them glasses smash?
No, what was that?
I thought I'd just come and see you, say hello, actually.
Well, I thought you might have bought the keys that you took with you.
I have actually got keys.
Oh, well done.
I've got keys here. So I've been to football with my little mate Frank this morning.
How was that?
It was good. We've done fitness today.
He got picked for the team.
I haven't spoken about that yet, but he has.
Oh, isn't that good?
It is good. So all of our hard work.
All of your hard work, helping him.
Yeah, but
is really good,
we've been
he's so dedicated.
We've been a team.
Absolutely.
So yeah, he's. I'll talk about that in another video. But yeah,
Right,
Frank has. Frank, no, you haven't spoiled anything. But Frank has got some good news. Yeah, the hard work has been worth it. Today he was doing press ups, sit ups, everything.
Oh.
So what is it you want? The keys to my heart.
I want the keys.
The keys to my heart.
Or to your padlock that's down there. Or the one here.
I was thinking.
That's a bit hard for you, babe.
I was thinking. Would you like to do some cooking videos?
When?
Like
When?
next week?
Of course, I'll do cooking videos anytime you like. Because I told you I keep getting these strangers coming up to me.
What, and saying
Grub Bags, you've not been doing no TikToks lately.
I've been putting a few of the old videos up as well. Videos that people haven't. A lot of our new following hadn't seen a lot of videos, so I've been sharing a lot of older stuff. And
Is that because of my age?
And you're getting that's because of your age, and you're getting a lot of love. So I thought, you know what, I might as
They
well.
keep asking me, and so I've got to start doing something because I feel like I'm letting the people down. And I don't want to let them down.
Also, there is other news.
Oh.
Me and Shah the other day were designing a new kitchen.
Oh, was it?
Yes.
Oh,
So within the next month, we're going to have a brand new look for the front of there.
right.
And
I hope it still entails me.
of course it does.
It's
And
got to entail me.
we're working on a brand spanking new menu,
Brilliant.
which I did mention it on a video last week, but we are nearly there. We're going to have final discussions this Friday and then get the new menus up there to go along with the new front of that.
That'd be really good.
Exciting times. What are you going in your cupboard for?
I need to get some coffee out. And
Okay.
I need to put some cups away.
So the day that I took the keys, you need to get the coffee out.
Yeah, well, go and have a look. You don't believe me? Go and have a look. I've drunk so much coffee today that I need to.
Right, okay.
Is that all right with you?
I'm going to have a coffee and then I've got to go to Wickes and I'm going to Sam's Flat.
Oh, well, you got to go with
Of which I'm going to do a video there as well, because we haven't seen Sam's Flat on the Grub page, because I've been working hard at the Hanson's home.
Right, okay.
What am I going to Wickes to? I've got to get some bits for Sam. What other news have you got? Have you got any other news? Anything that's happened?
No, not really. No.
You ain't got a
I've
flight?
got my dad down this week,
Okay,
and next week he's come to stay.
okay. And
a
is
little
he
while.
better?
He's a lot better. He's walking around a lot faster now. His old ticker timer's working a lot better.
Yep.
Yep. So he's come to stay for a couple of weeks, and tomorrow we're taking him to. I don't know if you've heard of it. The aerodrome cab at Goodwood.
No.
And you can watch the planes go off.
Oh, really?
Yeah, all the oldie planes, you know what I mean? Things like that. We thought he'd like that.
Yeah.
You know, he might take him back a few memories in the war days.
Did he ever go on a Concorde? Because my granddad went on a Concorde.
No.
Oh, right.
No,
My granddad
no.
went on a few
Couldn't
times.
afford it. No, he went on one of them planes at the fair, you know, one of them little rides that you push a button, you go up and down.
Right, I'll let you go.
Get me coffee.
I'm going to let you go into your cupboard. We'll see you soon for some cooking
Going in the
videos.
closet.
We'll see you soon for some cooking videos.
Okay, darling, I look forward to it.